You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this rock sandstone monolith in Australia. It's pronounced locally Uluru. If you want to learn, by the way, more Australian slang, more famous places in Oz that many get wrong, mispronounced, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. This is pronounced Uluru. Generally, the stress is on the first syllable, so you say Uluru. Some may say it as Uluru, Uluru, or Uluru. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.